Hello guys, welcome back to Materialize CSS. In this series we'll be talking about table. Materialize can be used to display different types of table using various styles over the table and classes as well. So in this tutorial we'll be creating a simple table, as simple as it could look like. So let's get down to our code. As you can see in this place, I have an empty editor, just my CSS and my JS that is being linked as user, and in my title I save it as table, just as I always save according to the name of the series we are working on. So in this place I will be creating a table tag, but before the table tag I just want to put a heading. Probably let me use H4. In the heading I can just say table properties. So let me use some classes to do this one. So as for that, let me just give it a HR, which is on the line. So I'll now come back to my table. First, after creating your table, believe you could have learned something like this in your pure HTML and CSS. So you just create your T head, or whatever. T-head. In your T-head you have your TR, which stands as the container of the table. So you have your TH, which is the heading or the feed name. So in this place I will just be putting couples of feed name. I think 4 is okay by me. Put in this place address, phone number, let me say school. So I think this okay. I've got my feed name here, and if you are surprised that I don't used to save before you save automatic, I just set it in my file here. Whenever I work it should save automatic, so that is why it normally save automatic. I don't have to bother myself by saving too. So in my lesson I go down, I create my table body. Inside my table body I have my TR as well. Inside my TR and I have my TT. So what is the name of the person? I say Frank Mepin, Fred. So let me just bring this one down. So what is the address of the person? Say 15 no. So what is the school of the person? Which school did the person attend? What is the phone number of the person? 081. So far I don't know. So I've gotten the table in this place. So I will just be adding some couples of things that will make this table look attractive. So I have to come back to my opening table tag. I put a class. I will be adding some class name that will make this table look interesting. So the first thing I will be adding is a class of responsive table. Responsive table. You see, when I add the class of responsive table, it's striped to the left, or if I increase the browser, it will return back to normal. You see, so well, if I return it to medium size, it will now go back. This is how it will appear on medium size. So I can also decide to add class of centered. Class of centered will send the feed to the center. You see that it has been centered. Let me also increase this one so that you see it very well. So you see that the element has been centered and it's being shared also equally from each other. So that is for that. And another thing also that I want to show to you in this place also is a class of highlight. A class of highlight draw a highlighted table. So just put highlight, class of highlight, just draw an highlighted table. So in this place, then you won't notice the effect much, but if you should just try to take event, you will observe the effect. If you should bend a little to observe it, you will see the effect. So that is how to embed or put in table in your work. And in our next tutorial, we'll be talking about topography. So see you on the next tutorial, and feel free to ask questions that relates to this or any of our tutorials that you find difficult to comprehend to. We will be free and glad to respond to each and every one of you in a measured time. So please subscribe, share, like, and we'll get back to you. See you on the next tutorial. Bye.